Oh, what's poppin' YouTube? Sosa Mendoza, we're back at it, and we came down to Austin, Texas today to, you know, hit some kayaking. But I wasn't prepared for this. This was unplanned, but you know, it's a pretty nice day out today, and I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can while pedaling out here. But yeah, check it out, ladies and gentlemen. Bro, oh, you can't with these kids out here. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get as much footage as I can. I'm gonna mount the GoPro right up in here, so y'all will get some good footage out here today. All right, YouTube, I got the GoPro mounted up, and we're about to take off out here. Y'all get ready, because this is just gonna be straight GoPro footage of me kayaking. Let's get it. You gotta know what's poppin'. You know, we're gonna get as much videos as we can out here today. You know what I'm saying? I had to do it for the subscribers. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I plan on making this channel. About outdoor activities, traveling, and just enjoying life in general. Instead of getting stuck in, like, you know, everyone be getting stuck in their 9 to 5s and stuff like that. But not me, bro. We gonna live life to the fullest regardless. How'd I fetch y'all so quick? Look, bro, the tripod came in handy. How'd you get the hang of it? Chill out, chill. I feel like I'm moving away from this. Really? I swear if you crash into me, bro. Yo, what's going on, you guys? So I'm just gonna start the outro here. But I'm gonna also get some like footage of me kayaking back to the spot. But yeah, we had a great day today. You know, I had to bring we had to come out here with the kayaks, and I was, you know, I love kayaking, I love doing outdoor stuff. So I hope I can get y'all interested in what I'm trying to do with my journey of life. And I'm just trying to bring positivity throughout the community of everywhere, you know? So yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, and I plan to be making a lot more, so please like and subscribe. And there you go, I'm just gonna keep kayaking. I ain't even gotta talk to y'all. kayaks up here, guys. Let's check them out. They're flying away. I don't know if y'all can